Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. So, children, this is a 5th standard English subject. So, today in this video, I am going to explain the poem number 6, that is the patriotic. We already studied the poem lesson number 6, that is the warrior who brought glory, about the brave soldier, that is Sam Manekshaw. We learned it. So, children, I hope you are understand those all the lesson, and also you have completed your class book. So, children, today in this video, I am going to explain the patriot by Sir Walter Scott. So, I'll give the brief idea about the poet, that is Walter Scott. He was a historical novelist and a poet. He was born in 1771 and died in the year 1832 at the age of 61. He developed polio at the age of 2 that left him disabled. He was affected by polio disease. Lochinwara was once memorized by every school children in Britain and Ireland. So Sir Walter Scott was a historical novel and a poet. Okay, children. So first I'll read the poem, then I'll explain in the next slides. See, children, the patriot. See, the meaning of patriotic is one who has a feeling towards his motherland or towards love towards his country, and he was having a very great respect, that we call him as a patriotic. So here, pre-reading activity, that is, how do you show your love for your country? Name some of the great patriots and talk about them. See, children, the poet describes the plight of a person who does not possess any love or a patriotic feeling towards his motherland. Here, the meaning of plight is situation of a person who does not possess any love or a patriotic feeling towards his motherland. So, I'll read the first para. Breathes they the man with soul so dead, who never to himself hath that said, this is my own, my native land, whose heart hath never within him burned, as home his footstep he had turned, from wandering on a foreign strand. If such there breathe, go mark him well, for him no minstrel raptures swell. High though his title, proud his name, boundless his wealth as wish can claim, despite those titles, power and pelf, the wrecked concentrated all in self, living shall forfeit fairer renown, and doubly dying shall go down to the vile dust from whence he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. Written by Sir Walter Scott. So first I'll read the glossaries. Breathes means lives, live. Had means here it has used as has. Burn means feel very excited. Strand, shore. Minstrel means poet. No rapture swell means no poet would sing about him. Pelf means money and wealth. Wrath means unfortunate or annoying person. Forfeit means lose. Renown means fame. Vile means worthless. Whence means where. So these are the new difficult words meaning. So let us. So children, pre-reading activity means how do you show your love for your country? Means you show your love for your country by following the rules and regulations which are formed and in your country, and you respect your national anthem, and you help in the development of your country. That is called this kind you show your love for your country. So now next, name some of the great patriots and talk about them. See children, some great patriots and talk about them. Usually we remember the great patriots means Mahatma Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose. These are the great patriots means who love for the country, and these were the great person who fought for our freedom. Yes or no? So these are the great patriotic means who were having loving towards their country, and they are having development of our country. These are the some great patriotics. That is we already studied in previous lesson. That is Jhansi Ki Rani, Razia Sultan, Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes or no? And Unni Krishnan we studied. Na? He fought against terrorists in the recent year, that is in the year 2008, I think. Yes or no? He was when Taj Hotel was attacked by the terrorists. Okay, these are persons show the patriotic towards the country. But in this poem, the poet described the plight of a person who does not possess any love or patriotic feeling towards his motherland. Here the meaning of plight is means situation of a person. He describes the situation of a person who does not possess, means he does not have any feeling or love towards his motherland. For How does the poet express this is we are going to study. Breathes there the man. Breathes means lives. Lives. There the man with souls are dead, who never to himself has told usage. It means here the poet describes the nature of an unpatriotic person. That is, he only love his money and power. Okay. He's he's like a dead man because he only think of his himself. He never think of his country. So who never himself had means has used, as old said, "This is my own native land, whose heart hath never within him burned, feel excited, as home his footstep he had turned." Yes, means he has never think that he's feeling towards his motherland. He's not thinking that his country is old. He's not feeling having attachment to his motherland. Even his heart is not accepting that he's not a patriotic towards his motherland. Next, from wandering on a foreign strand, strand means shore, that he is living in the country, but he is feeling that he is wandering on a foreign strand, means another country, because he is not having very attachment towards his country. So he feeling that he is wandering in another. He was feeling that is someone in another place he was walking. If such breed go mark him well, for him no minstrel, that is minstrel we call here poet is, in this it is minstrel we call him as a poet. Rapture swell, that is no poet would sing about him. High though his title, proud his name. Yes. If a man, if he does not have any feeling towards his motherland, he does not show any sacrifice or love to his motherland, that is, no poet would sing a song about him. Even though he is having a lot of money and he was having a lot of titles, when he is not having attachment or feeling towards motherland, that no poet would sing about him or praise about him. Yes, in the previous lesson we studied about Sam Manisha, that he was a very kind and very kind-hearted and cordial with his fellow soldiers. Yes or no? He was appreciated by all of the people, and even his Gurkha regiment soldiers would sing a song about him, about a kindness and happiness, because he was very kind towards his country also and towards his fellow soldiers. So they used to sing a song about him. But when a person is not a patriotic towards his country, that no poet would sing about him. This is what the poet says about the unpatriotic person. Even if he is having a high titles, means he is having a very lot of money or a proud of his name, goodwill, anything. Even if they are having everything, and if he is not having a patriotic towards his country, it is all waste. Boundless his wealth, as wish can claim. Despite those titles, power and pelf, pelf means money and wealth, the wretch, that is unfortunate or an annoying person, concentrate all in self, living shall forfeit, lose, fair renown, that is fame, and doubly dying shall go down to the vile worthless dust, from whence, where, old usage, he sprung, unwept, unhonored, and unsung. See, children, in this last para, we study here, that is boundless his wealth. Means if you are having a countless of wealth, that is of no use. When he is not having a patriotic towards his country also, it is all of waste. Even if he is having a lot of wealth, and even if he is having, despite those titles means if you are having a many honors or a power or a wealth, everything, it is all in vain, means it is all in waste, because when he is not having a patriotic or love towards his country, that it is all of no use. Means he is an annoying person, that is, he is very unfortunate person, that he doesn't have a feeling towards his motherland. Living, if he is living also, it is out of no use, because he is like a dead man. Even if he is having everything, even if he is having a faith and everything, when if he is not having a patriotic towards his country, it is all of waste. And doubly dying shall go down. Go down means when he dies, or when he dies, that is, when he dies, that no one will give respect him for him, and no one will sing a song or a honor, or give a respect to him. That is because he is not having a feeling towards his motherland. Even a poet also won't sing him. He'll be unhonored and unsung. So this is what the poet says about the unpatriotic person. because he is very selfish. He is always considered for his personal life. That is, he is like a man with a soul dead. So the poet says that the no poet will sing in a praise of his memory of a unpatriotic person, though he may be a rich or he may have a many titles. So this is about the unpatriotic person, what the poet describes. So a patriotic means is a person who loves his motherland. He lives for his nation and is ready to sacrifice for his motherland. And even when he dies, a patriotic person dies, the poet sing of his praise and courageous and disciplined and humbled. Yes or no? This is what the poet compares between the patriotic and an unpatriotic person. The poet is very unhappy about the unpatriotic person because he never be remembered after his death. He'll be buried without any state honor, or no poet would sing in honor. See, children, we'll be seeing in the news recently the Naxalites, between the Naxalites and the soldiers. 24 soldiers have been died. Yes or no? Those all the soldiers have been respected, have been honored because they fight against the Naxalites. Yes or no? And will give the respect to them and honor in them if a brave soldier died. So in this way, the poet expresses about the unpatriotic person, which is written by a Sir Walter Scott. He describes the nature of an unpatriotic person. That is, he loves only his money and power. So he is dead, like a dead person. This is because he is unpatriotic to his native land, where he is born to the country only gave him that much power and wisdom, but he is not utilizing it properly. He is wandering in a foreign strand and country, collecting the boundless wealth. However, according to the poet, it is worthless because no one will sing for him if he comes in a higher post, and because he does not have any feeling of a patriotism. He will be happy because of his past and hard work, but no one else will wed. He is a miserable person. Yes or no? According to the poet, he is like a dead man because he is not having feeling towards his motherland or any other himself, because his soul is dead. He is living, but his heart is not buried in his body. When he returns home, his money and power lures him, and he strives to return to the same place for his power and riches. When he dies, no one will sing for him and no one will honor. So, from this poem, we get a moral that we have to die for the same country, to our mother that gives us our life. We should really have a respect and love towards our native country, no matter what the cost may be. The only one our soul die in peace and in honor, that he will be sung upon our death and always be remembered. This is what the poet shares his feeling about a patriotic person or an unpatriotic man, because he is not having a feeling or a love towards his country, because he is thinking of his own self, that is selfless. So in this, from this poem, we learn the moral that we should give respect to our motherland. We should ready to sacrifice our life towards the motherland. Yes or no? We should give some of our contribution to the nation, to our motherland. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the poem very well. Okay, in the next video, I'll explain the question answers. Okay, children, see you in my next video. Children, bye and take care.